Realme GT 7 Pro is set to launch in China on November 4th, with a UK release coming soon. Today, I'll be sharing the unboxing and first look at the Realme GT 7 Pro. Hey everyone, this is Maiky from Maiky. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications by clicking the bell icon for more awesome tech videos. Now, let's get into the unboxing. Here we have the Realme GT 7 Pro box in black. The phone's branding is right on top of the box. First, we'll remove the plastic wrapping and open the lid. Inside, we have a cardboard box containing the Realme GT 7 Pro flagship phone, a power adapter, and a data cable. In this cardboard box, we also get a black protective case, a SIM ejector tool, and a user manual. The case quality is quite good, and it's much better than a regular transparent case. The power adapter here supports 120 watts, and the data cable is Type A to Type C. Now, let's remove the plastic from the phone and talk about its design. This phone comes in white, with another option in titanium color, which I'll be unboxing and sharing first impressions of in 2-3 days, so stay connected with our channel. The phone has a glass back, with a square-shaped camera module and Realme branding at the bottom. The phone's corners are slightly curved, and if we look closely at the camera module, we can see it has Hyper Image Plus written on it. From the side, the camera module doesn't look too bumpy. The frame is made of metal with soft edges. For button placement, we have the volume rocker and power button on the right, a secondary noise cancellation mic and IR blaster at the top. And at the bottom, there's the SIM tray, primary microphone, Type-C port, and a bottom-firing speaker. Let's power on the phone, and we see the Realme UI branding. The screen has micro curves on all 4 sides, giving it a high screen-to-body ratio. For biometric security, there's an under-display fingerprint sensor. The bezels are very thin and the screen curves slightly on all sides, giving it a nice in-hand feel. So friends, let me know in the comments how you like the first look of the Realme GT 7 Pro. I'll be uploading an in-depth review of the Realme GT 7 Pro on November 4th, so make sure to subscribe and join our tech team to catch the review first. So friends, see you with the next tech update. Thanks for watching. Have a great day and keep smiling.